Hey guys, Financial Freedom is here. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money on Instagram from IGTV ads, or in other words, IGTV monetization. So again, welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time that you're here, in this case, this channel is about how to become an entrepreneur, and how to see through this whole jungle, which we call internet marketing. And even if you're a small business owner or you want to go fully online, these videos are basically for you. So I hope you're going to enjoy it. If you do so, then just hit the like button or leave me a comment below or whatever. Let's just start it. So make money on Instagram from IGTV ads. Basically, this is a brand new stuff. Instagram just announced it yesterday. So, I mean, depending on when you're checking this video, but so they just announced yesterday. So finally, they're going to start paying for creators like you or me, just like YouTube is doing right now. But you could have like a huge advantage of that because Instagram is existing since 2018, and until now they didn't have the chance. They didn't give the chance for creators to start monetizing their kind of like channel. So if you have an Instagram account, this is a very great news for you, because you can start getting free traffic right through your your offers, but second is being able to start earning through IGTV ads. Okay, let's just see how it's going on. So starting from next week, Instagram will be introducing ads in IGTV as a way to start supporting creators, as I mentioned before, and help them monetize their video content, just like YouTube is doing right now. Okay, so this is the first time creators will be able to make money directly from IGTV since its launch in 2018. So this is a great opportunity to be in front of the market. Why this is good for you? Because it's not oversaturated yet. If you have a topic that you want to really share with your audience, you can do it. You can start creating videos from today. Instead of putting posts or putting I don't know, like funny cute little quotes or like very motivative quotes, you can start creating videos, even like a 1 minute video or above 1 minute, because IGTV is working if you make video above 1 minute. So you would be having the chance to start getting the monetization through the ads. So let's see it a little bit more detailed. The ads will be mobile optimized, vertical videos, and last up to 15 seconds long, and they are kind of like trying to make it like it's under like testing mode right now. That means like they're going to try to how they can even like skip videos if someone doesn't, just like on YouTube, like when you don't want to see a video, you can just click on a button skip, and then they are testing this right now. So starting from next week, again, Instagram will be introducing ads in IGTV as a way to start supporting creators, as I mentioned before, and help them monetize their own video content. This is great because how much is YouTube paying for you when you are already monetized and you have like the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 hours watch time? Basically in Instagram, in IGTV, this is not necessary. You don't need to have, I don't know how many amounts of subscribers and stuff like that. You have a basic audience, you have a family, and you can start earning right away from that. You don't need to offer nothing. You don't need to try to sell your stuff, to do nothing. We've been waiting for this since so long. We would also expecting that. So IGTV ads will begin showing up in IGTV from a selected group of partners and advertisers, first in the US, with plans to continue expanding globally, obviously, because this is going to be a great opportunity for all content creators in IGTV. So, but basically first just in the US. So don't worry if you're not from the US. First, either you could start using, this is a little tip, you can start using like a VPN and create an account which is based on the US. So you can start also testing this monetization method or you can just wait until they are going to launch it globally. So how much will IGTV creators are going to make? Well, let's say that this move to let creators monetize their IGTV content is most certainly strategic. One of the main reasons why IGTV has had so much trouble attracting creators, that's why it's not oversaturated, because it was a lack of monetization options. So either you were trying to push and somehow gather audience and get audience to your Instagram page or your Instagram account, and then trying to sell them through that, or have like some type of shout outs or some type of collaboration with other creators. But until now, right now, they solved this issue. They just launched this, so you will be having the chance, and this is very important. I cannot repeat it plenty of times, that this is a huge opportunity for you right now. Why? Because it's not oversaturated. So you can start creating constantly and frequently, and like that you will be able to start earning from this this monetization method. So basically, popular YouTube YouTubers can make anywhere from $3 to $10 per 1,000 video views. So Instagram hasn't paid a damn for IGTV content since its launch. Okay, so they're kind of going to pay supposedly kind of the same amount like YouTube. They say like 55% they're going to share from the ads revenue, so we are going to see it, but you like an estimated amount could be like the same, like earning $3 to $10 per 1,000 views, per 1,000 video views. Okay, so basically this is a great opportunity. This is why I wanted to share this very briefly and very quickly with you, because at this point it's very important to wake up faster than your competitors and start creating content. Doesn't matter the quality. I mean, of course, it has to provide some value. You cannot just start shooting, I don't know, random stupid videos. Okay, so it has to have a value. But what I mean in terms of the quality, it doesn't matter if you don't have the correct lights or set up your camera and stuff like that. Just start providing value for your audience, and then you're going to gain a lot of followers through that, because it's really working much better if you share your thoughts and share your ideas and share your opinions, perspective through a video content instead of just putting a post. So I highly recommend you to start creating videos, even if you are not in the States, and even if this whole IGTV monetization opportunity is just in the testing mode, but they're going to launch it very fast. They're going to expand it very fast to first globally and also for creators like you or me. So you could have a huge advantage in all that. So this is this video right now. I really thank you that you hold on until now, and I really hope that you find some value in that. In this case, if you found some value, just please hit the like button, or if you have any thoughts that you want to share with me, you can leave a comment down below. And in any other cases, I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like that. So see you in the next one.